Hey creative people, welcome to our another new Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to edit raw images in Photoshop like that. The tutorial will be helpful especially for the wedding photographer, since they always need basic image color combination or make the images brighter like that. So let's jump into Photoshop. Now I am opening a raw image in Photoshop. You can see many options in this toolbar. I am selecting the toolbar options and making my record adjustments. You can change the figure as per your requirements. Changing some figures from my toolbar. So you can highlight your image as you want to by selecting the options from the toolbar. You can increase exposure, decrease white balance and other options as you require. Now look at your image very closely, and if you need to highlight your image, you can select the white balance tool. And you can see the preview before and after images. It's very simple. You can crop images from here, and I don't need the unwanted objects from this background. You can crop easily like that. Now I will open another raw image for a better understanding. What we can see is darker, so I am highlighting my image by slightly changing the exposure from the toolbar. From you, it won't be same like me. Now I am going to select the ellipse tools and select the target area to make the image more brighter. Apply this effect inside or outside of selected area as per your need. You can also select the gradient tool because you can drag any area and make it more brighter. Now let's see the preview before and after. That's it. Don't have the time to do it all by yourself? The Clipping Path service can apply the editing technique for any kind of raw images for you. And undoubtedly, color correction is one of our specialties. You can always welcome to give us a try for any kind of image editing services. Find all the information in the description below. Thanks for watching us. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.